Recogniform Reader is the professional data capture solution to extract information from any kind of document, printed or handwritten, structured or not. Software is available in 3 versions. Desktop, for standalone installation. Workgroup, for client-server architecture. SDK, for integration into third parties' software applications. The Workgroup version is available in 2 subversions. Recogniform Workgroup Reader Office, if client-server communication takes place on a local network. Recogniform Workgroup Reader Enterprise, if client-server communication takes place on geographical network. With the desktop version, all processing steps take place on the same PC, one after the other, and software runs as application. The desktop version is suitable for small works, or for simple documents processing. User intervention is always required to start processing. With the Workgroup version, all processing steps can take place on several stations, asynchronously. Software can run as an application, or as a service. User intervention may be required for verify step only. The Workgroup release is suitable for larger works, or for complex documents processing. With the Workgroup version, the first step is the input step. Batches of documents are sent to the control server, and from here to the recognition service. Once recognition step is done, the batch comes back to the server, marked for correction, or for output. In the event of a correction, user can retrieve the batch from multiple verify stations. Once documents have been verified, the batch goes back to the server, and then to the output service. The terminated batches are stored on server, marked as terminated. Input, recognition and output steps can run as Windows services. Verify step requires operator activity and runs as Windows application. With the SDK version, only the recognition step will take place. Documents and template are sent to the SDK, that returns recognition results according to the template configuration. The SDK version is suitable for data capture features integration into third parties' applications. Process is synchronous. This means that, once a batch is sent to the SDK, no other operation will be available until the end of the recognition process.